Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. So, finished up our old house project downtown. Certainty Landmarks and Moray Black, Shadow Ridge, Hippen Ridge. Had a little bit of a hard time on this house. A lot of bad decking, difficult access. But it's done. Definitely time for a drone. It's hard to get a good shot on these houses like this. Try to get around out front where you guys can see better what we've got going on. We're right here in beautiful downtown Macon. Oscar finishing up some cleanup details there. And that's it. So, happy historical home. Roof is better. Hard to get a good shot. I apologize, but that's how we do it. 10-year labor warranty, lifetime material warranty. Shingle Master certified and Georgia State licensed general contractor. Please give us a call if we can help you out. And thank you for watching, and keep the folks of Ukraine in your thoughts. We want them to come out ahead. Thank you for watching.